Out here working, guys. Out here working. Finally got a job at the camp. Figure to, show you guys what's going on. Nick's at work. I'm on the golf cart cleaning bathrooms. Woohoo! Cleaning bathrooms. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. And I'll tell you what, learning things every day. Man, it makes me want to clean my own bathroom even better. But hey, this is called work camping. You do a trade for us to stay for a decent or no price at all. It's volunteer work. But now that I'm in with state parks, hopefully I can maybe down the road or in the future go to all the state parks and volunteer. But I'm going to keep bringing you guys some intel when Nick's off work so she can film me, basically doing some work and cleaning bathrooms and checking out people and cleaning their sites and stuff like that. So why not share that with you? Some ups and downs, pros and cons. But this is just temporary until our next move. So fingers crossed. We just have to make everything line up and make sure that we are taken care of before we make that move, because we have to figure out everything. And I can't wait to share it with you guys what that big move is. And you guys are gonna be like, holy cow, let's go. But so yeah, see you guys when I get back to camp. Got a big old storm a-coming right now. Big old storm. Got raindrops on the golf cart windshield. There's a storm moving in. It's pretty cold drops. And I need to get in somewhere where I'm not getting soaked, because I am getting drenched by some cold drops on the windshield. Yeah, here we go. Just in time, just getting off. But I gotta get to the trailer because I am getting soaked. But hey, amen. Rain clouds a coming, storm a brewing, and a nice sunset puckering over the buildings. Definitely something cool. But yeah, just got done working. Had to go see Nick, bring her some food, and get some quarters for laundry for tonight. Yeah, you gotta love it. Yeah, you gotta get laundry, quarters. Luckily at this place, they're $1 a load, so they're looking out a little bit. So that's cool. But we have to save money and really put our money aside right now, because we are saving for an opportunity of a lifetime and really trying to get things lined up. Hopefully it's not too late, but we cannot make this decision in 2 weeks. It's a life-changing experience or a life-changing thing, and we just found out about this 2 weeks ago, so it's very hard to just say, okay, yep, we're going. We're just going to really get everything lined up, ready to, you know, do it. And if it does follow through, well, at least we're ready for the next opportunity, because there's going to be opportunities coming this way and that way, especially now that I got some of this work camping under my belt, and that's a plus. So, you know, gotta do what you gotta do to survive, and knocking rent down and being able to save and not pay rent and electric and things like that, that helps save. And we're able to do that right now, so that's definitely a bonus. I work 3 days and then 3 days off, so that still gives me an opportunity to do videos for you guys. So more videos to come, guys. We got a premiere this Saturday at, I believe, 7:30 I put it. And then I'm working on the other video. We got another video, and that should be coming out sometime next week. Members get to see that first, and then you guys, the general public, general YouTube and Facebook and Rumble and all that, you know. But we got to do what we got to do. Yeah, I'm sorry that I'm putting up short videos and you know, speaking of what's happening, what's going on, at least that's being done. I was thinking about just not doing any videos this week and just do a couple shorts, but it looks like we had a great sunset video, this video, and the hat giveaway video, and the one on Saturday, but that was happening, you know, last week. So fingers crossed that we keep on going forward, baby. White House Adventures all day, every day. Let's go ahead and switch this around, get you that view. Beautiful. People out there fishing on the bridge. Yeah, boy. So yeah, that was the sunset. You guys saw the sunset yesterday. I'm not gonna just give you a little teaser on that one. That's a good one coming. But yeah, gotta go head up and do some laundry, get some clothes, take a shower, relax, and start the day off again. Tomorrow, 7 a.m. So see ya on the next video, next recordings, and the next adventure. God bless you guys. White House Adventure is out.